Hi hello guys, welcome to my channel how to fix PlayStation network sign in failed. This is the problem, then step by step follow to solve this problem, okay? Then I will not using for the PlayStation, then I will tell to you will solve this problem. But I am speech for the not understanding where to please pin the comment, okay? Then go to the steps for you will first step for reset your PSN password and try again. You will get reset then PSN password. Okay. Then second step for enable the automatic login on your PlayStation. Go to the settings to you will search the automatic login. You will search it to you will see then for you will get disabled to enable. Okay. Then next step for update the PlayStation manually and check the PlayStation server status. You will go to first step for you will go to the update your PlayStation for manually. Maximum always go to the settings to you will check for the update any pending to you will get update and or for you will check for the PlayStation server status. Anyone server to problem to wait for the few minutes, then server for solve it to no problem, but not solve to you will change the other server, okay? Then next step for change the DNS address or delete the re-add to register the network. You will maximum all using for the PC, laptop, computer, anyone using to maximum you will change the DNS server to this problem is solved. Maximum 888844. Then you will change the DNS server to this is the problem for the solved, okay? And then finally you will disable the media server connection. You will get disabled to this problem is solved and you will this is the exercise for you will stop at the PlayStation, you will restart it to this is the problem for the solved, okay? Then anyone doubt to pin the comment and thank you for watching.